Welcome to our channel, Mind Mentor. In this video, we will discuss about the principles and processes of biotechnology. It involves the application of biological systems, organisms, or derivatives to develop or create products or technologies for various practical purposes, including medicine, agriculture, industry, and environmental management. Biotechnology harnesses the biological processes and genetic information of living organisms to achieve specific goals. Here are the key principles and processes of biotechnology. 1. Genetic engineering, it also known as recombinant DNA technology, is a fundamental principle of biotechnology. It involves the manipulation of an organism's genes or DNA to introduce new traits, modify existing ones, or transfer specific genes from one organism to another. Techniques like gene cloning, PCR, polymerase chain reaction, and CRISPR-Cas9 enable precise gene manipulation. 2. DNA sequencing and genomics. DNA sequencing is the process of determining the exact order of nucleotide bases in a DNA molecule. Genomics is the study of an organism's entire genome, including all its genes and non-coding sequences. Advances in DNA sequencing technologies have revolutionized biotechnology by enabling comprehensive genomic analysis and personalized medicine. 3. Gene expression and proteomics. Gene expression studies examine which genes are active in specific cells or tissues at a given time. Proteomics involves the study of an organism's entire set of proteins. Understanding gene expression and proteomics helps uncover the roles of specific genes and proteins in health and disease. 4. Fermentation and Bioprocessing. Bioprocessing employs microorganisms, like bacteria, yeast, fungi, to produce valuable products through fermentation or other biochemical processes. Examples include the production of antibiotics, enzymes, biofuels, and bioplastics. 5. Tissue culture and cloning. Tissue culture involves growing plant or animal cells, tissues, or organs in vitro, in a controlled environment. Cloning techniques can produce genetically identical copies of organisms. These processes have applications in agriculture, regenerative medicine, and the propagation of valuable plant varieties. 6. Biopharmaceuticals. Biotechnology plays a crucial role in the production of biopharmaceuticals, including therapeutic proteins, e.g., insulin, vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, and gene therapies. Expression systems, such as genetically engineered bacteria or mammalian cells, are used to produce these drugs. 7. Environmental biotechnology. Biotechnology contributes to environmental management by developing solutions for pollution control, waste treatment, and resource conservation. Examples include bioremediation, using microorganisms to clean up pollutants, and biofuel production from renewable sources. 8. Agricultural biotechnology. It involves genetically modifying crops for increased yield, resistance to pests or diseases, and improved nutritional content. Biotechnology has led to the development of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and gene-edited crops. 9. Bioinformatics. It uses computational tools and databases to analyze and interpret biological data, especially DNA and protein sequences. It aids in genomics, proteomics, drug discovery, and the study of genetic variation. 10. Ethical considerations and regulation. Biotechnology raises ethical, safety, and regulatory concerns. Ethical considerations include issues related to GMOs, gene editing, human cloning, and the equitable distribution of biotechnological benefits. Biotechnology continues to advance rapidly, offering solutions to various challenges in healthcare, agriculture, environmental sustainability, and industry. It has the potential to address global issues such as disease treatment, food security, renewable energy production, and environmental conservation, but it also requires careful consideration of ethical, legal, and safety implications. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, Mind Mentor.